this is how long your hair should be if you want a hairstyle that is a bit on the longer side. And when I posted this video, I think it was like a week and a half ago, I also posted this on YouTube Shorts, and it was talking about the length here, and everybody was like, but what hairstyle is that for? What do you do for that? Well, you've got a few options. If you want a hairstyle where all the hair is going to be in your face like this, then there's the hairstyle. But remember, and I mention this and I say this over and over again, for however long the hair comes down to here, it's going to travel back, right? It's going to travel that much further back. So let's see from the side angle. If I bring the hair here, look at it's going to go back here. So obviously, what type of hairstyle can you wear with having longer hair? Well, it looks like it's going to end up having to be a longer type of flow, like this, right? And if you don't put anything in it, actually, this is a great style for the new product, the new control cream that I'm coming out with, because, again, that's just something that's designed to hold the hair in place with a very, very light hold. It's all about controlling the hair. And I even have it on me. So I'm gonna show you what that product does. It's in development right now. It's not ready yet. But if you go back to some of my recent videos, you can see me demoing it and talking about it. But the hairstyle, again, however long it is, it's going to go that far back. Now, if you wanna have a hairstyle that's more like maybe in the face like this, then there you go. Like, it's something that's going to be a bit more alternative, maybe a bit more grungy, something a bit more modern. Make sure you have some, layers in through here. So it all really depends on you. But in my opinion, one of the biggest hair trends that I'm seeing for guys, especially for 2026, is, having a little bit of length down and through here in fullness. I think people make a mistake that they have the top really, really long and then this really, really short. That's totally fine, but look what that does. It just looks like there's a helmet of hair on your head, right? If you go like this, it just doesn't look right. Again, is it doable? Of course. But the modern trends, and it doesn't matter, like if you're a professional, you wear a suit all day, like this is the one hairstyle that really makes you look a bit more sophisticated and polished, simply because it just looks awesome, having some length down and through here. How do you grow your hair out into this? Well, you just simply grow it. If your hair is literally this long, right here, say your hair is this long, all you need to do is grow it, especially if you've got it maybe more tapered throughout the sides. Grow your hair for like 6-7 months and don't even get a haircut. It'll grow into itself, believe it or not. It's gonna go through like an awkward phase, but it has to go through that awkward phase, because if you get it cut improperly, it's just not gonna look right? So if you have a haircut though that is not really balanced properly, just maybe get it shaped to where this is always going to be the longest point. The front has to be the longest. Don't cut this really, really short and then leave this longer. This has to be the longest point. So grow it out by having it cut into a shape, and then you literally may not even need to see your hair professional for it could, again, 6 months, 7 months. Hair grows 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch a month. So do the math. Now, this is the product that I've been testing. This is gonna be called Control Cream. And you can go back and watch my previous videos on it. Like one of them's titled, I think I found the perfect product. The last one I did was updates on the 2 products I'm launching. But here it is again. And it's designed to give your hair light control, very, very light hold, but it's got great ingredients, and it's something that I've wanted for a very long time, because a lot of people want their hair longer. They don't want to have anything that's too strong on their hair, too stiff. Ease of application is important, and I'm excited about this. So I'm going to apply. It comes out very, very creamy. So depending on how long your hair is, that is, but you don't need a whole lot of this because of how it spreads through the hands, because of how creamy it is. It's like a conditioner almost. So very, very slick. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to work this through the hair. And this is another thing that I've noticed, is that it really actually brings a lot of life to the hair. If your hair is really dry, if it's really, really dull, if it's just lacking shine, because of the ingredients in this and the vitamins, it actually really helps bring your hair to life. And you could see already what this is doing. Now, some people may say like, oh, I can do that with water. Well, water is not gonna hold your hair. This is designed to have light hold and control. So as I'm molding this back, you can see it's just giving the hair a very, very light texture and hold. Like, but it feels amazing. It doesn't feel dry. You can run your fingers through it. Imagine like a conditioner with some hold to it. This has a more of like a tropical, I would say like an apricot kiwi type of scent. So really, really nice. And the one thing I love about this is because of how amazing these ingredients are, that's what's making the hair look healthy. And then as this dries, it's just gonna make your hair look like it's just in place. You could see that, look at that. But it doesn't have, you know, it's not a clay, it's not a paste, it's not a solid gel, nothing it's gonna get like sticky or firm, or it's just really, really about control. And as someone who's worked on literally thousands of heads as a professional hairstylist over the last 30 years, I'm always looking for something that has a great result, that's gonna have an amazing user experience. And that's what this is. And this is made in the United States. It's in process right now. It takes some time. The good thing is that when I approve everything, then it's going to be not a long time to ship it because it's made here in the United States. So that's the great thing, is that it's not gonna take weeks and weeks. It's not made in China or anything. So it's not gonna take a long time. It's just getting it up on my store, getting it ready, and then it'll be available for sale. It is a premium product, so you know it's really, really high quality, and it's gonna fall under my legacy line, the TheSalonGuy collection, so it's not under my crafted. I tend to find that these products in my legacy line compared to crafted, they have a bit more consistency as far as guaranteed consistency. Nothing changes, the formulations are always the same because of the different types of manufacturing. So, you know, that's why I like these products so much under my collection, just because I know that it's gonna be so consistent every single time. But I love this product, man. I'm so excited about this, and I can't wait for all of you to try it. So let me know if you are gonna wear your hairstyle like this. If you are growing your hair out for 2026, I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.